Hello there, it's Ronnie, and today I'll show you how a simple combination of alligator and RSI turns chart chaos into clear entry points. This setup helps identify the exact moment when the market starts changing direction, long before it becomes obvious to anyone else. We'll go through several trades in a row, and you'll see how these two indicators confirm each other, giving clean, accurate signals. Watch closely, especially how the price reacts at key points, because that's where the trader's profit is born. And if you want to see my trades and strategy setups in real time, you are very welcome to check out my Telegram. There I show entry points, explain why I take each trade, and share the practical methods that work for me. The link is below this video. Message me so I can add you. So as always, I'll start by setting up my strategy on the platform. That way I can clearly see signals from the indicators. Chart type candlestick, time frame 1 minute, base strategy alligator plus RSI. Now let's configure them. First, alligator, it helps visualize the trend without complex calculations and consists of 3 lines. Here are my settings, you can save them for yourself. These parameters make the alligator more sensitive, allowing it to react faster to new impulses. For styling, I'll choose clear, contrasting colors, but you can set yours to whatever you prefer. Next, RSI, it shows when the market is overheated and where a reversal might happen. Set period 10, this makes RSI more responsive, helping detect early turning points and impulses. For style, the main line will be blue with a purple midline around the center level for reference. The strength of this combo is in its clarity. Alligator shows the direction of the trend, RSI confirms the strength and timing of entry, allowing you to catch moves early and avoid false reversals. The chart is ready, let's trade. To start my series of trades, I found a perfect setup, all signals align. I'm opening a $1,200 down trade, duration 2 minutes. According to my forecast, the price is heading lower. So let's break it down. Alligator, the lines have already turned downward. The turquoise line crossed the purple one from top to bottom, and now both are pointing down. After a strong red candle, the price made a slight pullback toward the lines, touched them, and immediately bounced down. That's the classic setup. Breakout, retest, continuation. RSI. The line crossed the 50 level downward and confidently stays below it. That's a clear sign that sellers are in control and the pullback was weak. The downward slope confirms real momentum behind this move, not just a pause. Candle action supports it. Buyers can no longer push the price up, and sellers have full control of the market. Everything aligns. Alligator shows a downward reversal and rejection from its lines. RSI moves below 50, confirming bearish momentum. Candles confirm consistent selling pressure. So this short trade is completely justified. The market has clearly shifted into a downtrend and the impulse is growing stronger. The trade closes $2,304. Excellent. Let's keep going. And by the way, here is a pro tip for you. Never rush. The market always gives another chance. Trade systematically, wait for signal confirmation from both indicators and candles. Success in trading comes not from speed, but from discipline, patience, and clear entry rules. So let's keep going. I've just spotted another great entry, opening up trade for $1,000, and here is my reasoning. Alligator, the lines have turned upward, the turquoise line crossed the purple one from bottom to top, and they're now opening in the direction of growth. That's the first strong signal of a trend shift from bearish to bullish. You can see the price breaking through the lines, pulling back slightly, and bouncing right off the alligator. Textbook setup. Break, retest, continuation. RSI. The line crossed 50 from below and stays confidently above. That means buyers have taken control, momentum is building, and the move upward is gaining strength. Candle behavior supports this. A clear series of green candles with short pullbacks that get bought up immediately. Buyers are not letting the price fall. Everything makes sense here. The market has turned, the impulse is strong, and all signals confirm it. So trade closes $1,920 profit, just perfect, pretty much as I predicted. And by the way, your like and subscription to this channel will really help this channel. And that means even more strategies and insights for you. And if you enjoy this kind of trade breakdown, make sure to check out my Telegram. There I share live charts, real-time entries, and explain exactly where and why I'm entering. Only real practice, no theory, no fluff. The link is below this video. Send me a message so I can add you. Now I'm taking another trade, this time an up entry for $1,600. I expect the price to continue rising, and here is my logic. Alligator shows a clear shift. Lines are spread upward, and the turquoise one confidently crosses the purple from below. The price broke above the cluster of lines, pulled back, and is now bouncing upward again, confirming the uptrend. RSI fully supports it. The line holds above 50 with a strong upward angle, showing sustained bullish pressure. The candles confirm the transition from decline to steady growth. Everything aligns perfectly. Alligator confirms a bullish reversal. RSI supports strong upward impulse. Candles show consistent buyer activity. So this up trade looks solid. The market is in clear growth phase, and the trade closes $3,072 profit. Couldn't ask for better. So to finish this session, I'm opening one last down trade for $700. You can probably already guess why. Alligator. The lines have shifted downward again. The turquoise line dropped under the purple, and the price bounced off them after a small pullback. That's a typical start of a new bearish impulse, a test of resistance followed by confirmation of direction. Now RSI. The line moved below 50, made a short upward correction and turned back down again, showing that buyers failed to regain control, and selling pressure is increasing. Candle action supports this. After a brief pullback, a long red candle appears, completely covering the previous green one. Everything fits together, the market has turned, the momentum is clearly bearish, and the down trade is well justified. And so the trade closes $1,344 plus. Great way to wrap up the session. And I'm very, very happy with how it turned out to be. This session showed that even two simple indicators can work quite perfectly, if you understand their meaning. The key is not guessing the market, but waiting for confirmation and acting systematically. That's how consistency and confidence are built. Just one precise trade at a time.